If you're cruising to Alaska for the first time to see the glaciers and you don't know what to pack, this video is for you. So this is our last day, and as I thought about like what I went through when I was trying to get ready for this trip, I said, maybe this would be beneficial for someone who was packing for the first time. So I'm about to pack my suitcase, and I'm going to show you exactly what I packed, and then what I actually wore, and then what I did not wear. So let's jump right in. So in terms of bottoms, I packed these, you know, slim fitting pants or leggings or what have you, whatever you want to call them. So I bought about 4 pairs of these, and
different colors.
Well, yeah, mostly. So I had the 2 blacks and perhaps a blue and so forth, but it doesn't really matter. I mean, if you want to go all black or all the same color, I don't think it matters that much. So I wore these a lot, so these definitely will help. Okay,
then they were good enough for the cold, huh?
So yeah, I wore them on the ship, around the ship, you know, whether it's, you know, eating, activities or whatnot. And then I also wore them to do the activity and the excursions when we actually got off at the port. So I was very warm. I felt very comfortable with those. So let's move on to the tops. So I bought a number of these long sleeve tees, and I'll have a link in the description below where you can find this on Amazon. But yeah, these are perfect. Like, I wore these throughout the entire cruise. So on the ship, off the ship, and then you can even layer them if you want to. So that's the beauty about them, that they're not bulky. So if you wanted to put on,
they're lightweight.
Yeah, and they're lightweight. You can put one over the other, especially when you're going on an excursion or something like that. So several colors of these. I'll just show you a few colors. So those are the same. And then I also had these floral ones here. And same thing, they're so soft and I love them. I mean, I wore them all the time.
Yeah, what brand is that one?
So this one is Johnny Was.
Okay, I like that. It looks familiar to me.
It looks familiar because you bought it. So I had a couple.
That's right, guys. I bought that.
So I have a couple of those here. So these are perfect for it. The other thing for tops are these camel soles here. I brought a few of these camel soles because, again, depending on the warmth that you want, then I can always put this underneath my tops and layer them as well. So I had a couple of these and I wore them absolutely a lot. The other item is just one t-shirt, a short sleeve t-shirt. So
should I have brought more?
I probably could have brought another one of these perhaps, but also, I mean, lightweight, it's soft, and again, you can just throw it on. You know, with this cruise line, it's called freestyle, so really you can kind of wear whatever you want, which is pretty awesome.
Okay.
And then these little guys, I like these because they're mostly for like working out, but who cares? I mean, you can wear them also around the ship as well. So I brought a couple of these. And I wore them a lot, so I'll wear them around the ship. Maybe after I leave the gym, I'll throw them on and go straight to like breakfast or something like that. So that was really nice.
Yeah, and those look pretty warm, huh?
Yes, they're very warm.
And you could also layer those with those, right?
Yes, you can layer. So the beauty is layer. You can pack items that you can layer, so you know, so you can have some comfort.
Okay.
So I'm moving on to my workout clothes because I love to work out. So I packed like 3 pairs of, you know, different workout items. So
guys, Anne-Marie is not missing leg day.
No leg day miss. Yeah, these are perfect. You know, I love these. If you guys are wondering, I typically get my workout gear from Fabletics.
From where?
I typically get my workout gear from Fabletics.
Fabletics.
Fabletics, yeah. So those
sounds funny.
I wore those quite a bit for my workout there.
Okay. How many workout pieces somebody who work out all the time should need?
So you know, 7-day cruise. So I packed 3. And you know, I probably could have packed 4, but actually I had an extra pair of pants as well, so I probably had like 4 pants and like 3 tops. So I mean, I think that worked for me in terms of the number of items. Now what I could have brought is actually shorts. So it's warm and it's warm on the plane. So I really could have brought shorts as well in addition to leggings or tights.
So and also on the cruise, you could get your laundry, right?
Yeah, so this is kind of nifty, and since Marvin brought it up, so this is a laundry bag that they provide to you, and you can wash in bulk. So anything that fits into this particular bag, you can stuff it in there, and for $29, they will do laundry for you. They will laundry those items for you. So that's pretty good. But we didn't end up using it. Now, I'll tell you this. I'll tell you a trick. So actually, when we move on to this, and then I'll come back to that trick. So we have the spa package. So the spa is heaven, okay?
Wait, hold up. Guys, the spa is my favorite thing. I spend so much time there. But continue.
Yeah, and on this type of cruise, I think it's definitely something that you should get.
The thermal spa package is great.
Yes, it's absolutely awesome for the thermal spa. So with the sauna, the steam room, you know, watch our other video, you'll be able to see that. But I packed 3 different bathing suits here, and I wore all 3 of them. But technically, you could have gotten away with only packing 1. So there is, like, in the bathroom, I don't know what it is, but items dry really quickly there. So when I hang these out at night, in the morning, they are completely dry.
Oh yeah.
So
and there's a line in there too.
And there's a line in there, so it's ready for your next day. So again, I wore all of mine because I kind of mixed it up a little bit, but you could get away with bringing maybe 1 or 2.
Yeah, flip through those, let me see it.
So this is the other one.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. And the other item that I brought this swim cover-up kimono, and I wore it twice. Now, I think you probably could get away with not bringing 1 if you wanted to, because they have robes and towels at the spa, so it's not completely necessary, but I did get a lot of compliments on it, and it's really cute. So it's lightweight. It didn't really, it didn't really add much to my packing, so I brought it, so it's cute.
Okay.
And this one also I got from Amazon.
Okay.
All right.
We'll put links in those as well, right?
Yes, we'll put some links. Now, moving on to evening wear. So we bought this specialty dining package, which includes 2 of the specialty restaurants.
And you can get more as well.
Yeah, you can get more if you want to. But for dinner one evening, I wore this little number here, like a cold shoulder top here, very cute. If you want to feel, pretty nice one evening, you can do it. But honestly, you didn't really have to dress up for it.
Okay.
And I wore it with this little number here, so real cute little pants.
Okay.
In the evening.
And I can see the Zara brand on both of those.
Yeah, those are Zara. The other item I wore, oops, that's this inside out. Okay, is this little top here. I wore this to one of the shows and dinner. So this is pretty cute. And you notice it's short sleeve. So let me tell you this. It's very comfortable on the ship because I wondered that myself. It is. So I brought a sleeveless. And my friend actually wore a sleeveless a lot and she was fine. But if you're cold natured, one of the things you could do is bring like a scarf to like throw over your shoulder or something like that.
Yeah.
I did not wear this, but if you're cold nature, you can consider bringing something like this. It's very lightweight as well.
Okay.
So with this one, I kind of paired it with my pair of jeans here. And I actually only wore my jeans once. But I think I may wear it again maybe later. So I think I'm debating if I'm gonna wear this again later when we go to eat.
Yeah.
All right. So now move on to some of the things that I never wore. So these pants, they're like a pencil pants. And I brought them, a couple different tops I could wear it with, but I never end up wearing these at all.
Okay.
So, less dressy clothes, I think you're okay. And then I brought this top here, which is really cute. And I think I may wear this later for dinner. So we have one of the reservations dinner later. So I think I'm gonna end up wearing this one and pair it either with my jeans or those black pants that I mentioned earlier. So very cute here.
Okay.
I also brought this number here. It's actually romper. Never wore it. So do you see the trend? I mean, you don't need a lot of dressy clothes.
I noticed something, hun. On this trip, you seem to pack a lot of dark colors, not a whole lot of colored things this time around.
Yeah, because of the freestyle, it's casual, the ship is casual. I think in general what you'll notice, I mean, even when you walk around the ship, most persons are very casual. Yeah, so we fit in really well. I didn't want to be that sore thumb that sticks out. So the other item I brought, I did not wear. It was this dress here. It's real cute as well, but didn't wear it, didn't have an occasion to wear it too. And I brought a white or off-white outfit just in case there was some kind of party or event.
A white party, a white event?
Yeah, that they wanted us to wear white too. So I brought a sweater.
Yeah, can you hold that sweater up?
Yeah. So I brought this sweater here.
Oh, what's the, okay, so some studded on the side.
Yeah, so,
okay.
Yeah, buttons. I did not wear that one, and then I was gonna pair it with these pants as well.
Oh, I like the detail on this one.
Yeah, they're cute. So I did not wear these. Now they did have a glow party. I think it was last night, and
so many activities, guys. I mean, you can.
Yeah. So the glow party, I think they want you to wear white or maybe some colorful or fluorescent colors or something like that. So we did not go to that one. I packed some other pants here. So I did not wear these yet, but I am gonna wear these off the ship and returning home. So I'm gonna wear these pants going home, and I will pair it with this top here.
Yeah, so, that's pretty cool again.
Yeah. So I also packed gloves, and this is mainly for when I go on excursions. So I brought them with me when I was going on the excursions, but to be honest, the temperature was really nice, so I did not wear them. So by the way, this is April. So this is April in Alaska. So I always wondered, okay, what is it like in April? And we were so comfortable. I mean, I could have worn gloves, I think, at one point. Marvin, did you end up wearing your gloves?
Once,
and I just kind of put my hands in my pocket and I was perfectly fine.
Yeah.
So that's the clothes. So now let's talk about shoes or footwear. So I packed these little boots here. They're they're low, a little bit more dressy, and I did wear these a couple times in the evening time. So something like this is perfectly fine for going out to eat or a show or something like that.
Okay.
I packed these boots. So these are my warm boots for excursions, and yes, you do need some warm boots. So these came in handy. Some warm socks that goes with it is perfectly fine. So these are worn. I packed a pair of heels, but I never wore them. So this is really in the evening time, but I never wore them. So really you can do it out. So I mean, unless you really want to put on heels, but not necessarily. I may have seen, honestly, maybe one, maybe even less, maybe 1% of the persons I ever saw wearing heels.
Yeah, just a couple people every night.
And flip-flops, these I like to wear around the hotel and then perfect in the spa.
Okay.
Flip-flops, I wear them daily. And then the other thing is just my tennis shoes. I'm wearing these today, but yeah, my tennis shoes.
So dual purpose, right? To work out and just kick around?
Kick around and work out. And yeah, my tennis shoes are worn every single day, even outside of working out. Yeah. Okay. So let's talk about bags. So I brought this backpack. So this is handy for when you're going on the excursion. So any backpack will do. Mine is not waterproof, but perhaps you could consider a waterproof one.
Okay.
It never rained when we were here, but I've read that it rains a lot and you never know when it's going to rain.
Okay.
And so I also packed this little lightweight bag, and really it's just around the ship.
You should show them how it folds up, hon.
Yeah, around the ship really, to pack my little things. And it folds up really small. You just kind of tuck it all in to a little pocket here.
So that takes up like no space, right?
No space, it's so light. I love to travel with these.
Okay.
All right, jacket. Okay, so jackets. So I packed this number here, and honestly, So let me tell you about this. So I brought it really because the ship actually disembarks from Seattle. So I brought it to kind of wear in Seattle when we were there. But I ended up wearing it on the ship a little bit as well.
Okay.
And especially outside, like sitting down to perhaps eat. We do have some heating lamps outside, but that helps as well if you're just going to be sitting outside or walking outside on a really nice day. And then I brought this ski jacket. And this is really, again, for your excursion. So you can layer it up or down. So it actually has the inserted piece here. You can wear it
by itself,
and then layer this on. And then if you get too hot, you can remove.
Yeah, so it's both. It's one jacket together or two separate.
Yes.
Either way.
And then if you want to layer, or you want to remove a layer, you can just stick it in your backpack.
Okay.
That's the beauty of that.
What else you brought, hon?
All right. So binoculars.
Oh yeah, guys, that's very important.
Very important.
For whale watching. For life or
wildlife watching. Yes.
Yeah, not only whales.
Yeah, so saw cool stuff from afar, seals, I saw orca. Yeah, it was pretty cool. Umbrella, I brought a small umbrella. I never end up using it. Like I said, it didn't rain, but it's a good idea to bring if you don't have a rain jacket. So that's the alternative. Dramamine, you need these. So if you suffer from motion sickness or something like that, seasickness, these are, you know, good to have. So a couple days in the open ocean, it was pretty rough. So this came in handy. That's it. So now watch this video to see our full cruising experience, including the incredible glaciers.